Hello there, I'm Richard, and I'm excited to share how SEA-FAJ Consults can help you achieve your dream of studying abroad. We believe in making global education accessible and stress-free for our clients. At SEA-FAJ Consults, we provide end-to-end services for students looking to study in countries like the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and Australia. From the application process and visa guidance to pre-departure orientation, we are here with you every step of the way. Our clients don't just study abroad, they excel in their career. So, if you've been dreaming of an international education, now is the time to take the first step. Reach out to us at SEA-FAJ Consult today. Why? Your future begins now.